Hello, quickly, let's go to this one. Run Jupyter Notebook. And today I want us to just show all columns and rows. Only that. How to show all columns and rows within our data structure. That's all. So when we did that, or when we complete that, this short it's going to be done. So first, we know we have our data here, and we know we have unicareer salaries, and this is what we actually want. So here, when we open it, we don't know. We want to show how many rows are there and how many columns, number of columns, number of rows. So now, to get that, we are using attribute, and that attribute is called shape attribute. So to get the number of rows and column, we just say df dot shape, and then this is not a method; it's just an attribute, so there is no need of calling the function. So you run it like that. So Control Enter. Yeah. And you see there is this df not defined, and when you get such error, it means that this is not captured. Df is not captured. So to capture df, we just come here to kernel and reset kernel and run all cells, and then you restart, and then you wait a bit, and when you wait, you see how many number of rows we have. 51 rows, and we have six columns. Why? Because in programming we start from 0, so this is 0 and this is 50, so 51 rows and 6 columns. 1 2 3 4 5 6, and that's how it should be.